Hello lovely people, welcome back to Abena's's Kitchen. In this video, we'll be making some prawn fried rice and chicken sauce. I've got here some cumin, my all-purpose seasoning, a giawaria. I've got some rice wine, some oyster sauce, and some soy sauce. I've also got my chicken, my diced chicken. Stock powder, you can use your regular stock cube. And then I've got cornflour. I'm going to marinate my chicken with all these ingredients. So I'm adding the giawaria all-purpose seasoning. I'll add a pinch of cumin. I'm adding my stock powder. You can use your regular stock cubes. A teaspoon of cornstarch or cornflour. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of rice wine. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And then 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I'm using the dark one. You can use either light or dark, it doesn't matter. I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to cover it and then let it sit in the fridge while I cut my vegetables. So for the vegetables, I've got 2 bell peppers, 1 onion and 2 carrots. I'll cut them into any shapes that you want, but make sure that they are all the same size. I've added about 2 tablespoons of oil to my saucepan. I'm also adding few drops of sesame oil. I'm adding the marinated chicken to it. You can use any type of meat, either beef or pork. It's the same procedure. I'm going to add my carrots first because it is the hardest among the 3. I've got here some water and 1 teaspoon of cornflour. For some spiciness, I'll be adding some crushed chili pepper. After about 2 minutes, I'll add my onions. This is a very simple and quick recipe you can make at home at any time. You don't need a lot of ingredients for it. Instead of the meat, you can even use mushrooms. I'll leave it to cook for another 2 minutes and then I'll add my bell peppers. I'm adding a little bit more of water and cornflour because I want the sauce to be very juicy. I forgot to mention that the cornflour serves the purpose of thickening the sauce. Taste for salt. I'm adding 2 drops of oyster sauce because it wasn't salty enough for me. I'll let it cook for an extra 2 minutes and then I'll turn the fire off. So for the fried rice, you need some cooked rice. I made this a day before and then I kept it in the fridge. You can make your rice the same day you make your fried rice, but make sure it has completely cooled down for a better result. I've got my peas, frozen peas. Do not use the canned one or your fried rice will become very mushy. And then I've got some prawns here. Using some eggs as well. I'm going to season it with a pinch of salt. As you can see, my oil is very hot. Make sure it's really hot before you drop in your eggs. I'm adding in my peas. I'm adding the prawns. For this recipe, I like to add MSG instead of stock cube. I'm adding only 1/4 teaspoon of that, and then I'll add another 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can use your regular stock cube if you don't like MSG. For this particular recipe, I use it simply because I want the taste to be the same as Chinese takeaways and restaurants. Last but not the least, I'm adding some rice wine, and this will take the fried rice to the next level. Make sure the wine has evaporated before turning off your heat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try it and you'll never go back to your Chinese takeaway or restaurant because it is the same thing, same taste. Thank you all for watching. Please share the video. It encourages me to upload more recipes. And don't forget to comment and like.